Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete a task list here in Zoho Projects. All right. So first up, go to the left panel. Under Overview, we have Tasks. Click on it. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, you can go ahead over to the top. Okay. Click on this Group By option or drop down. Click on it. Now go ahead and click on this other drop down. Now here we have Task List. Just click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, here you have the task lists. Okay, task list 1, 2, and 3. Now, again, if you want to delete a task list, here you have the 3 dots besides it. Okay, it is a task list when it got the gray color. Okay, and the task within it is blue. Okay, so to delete the task list, make sure that you hover over the gray color. Okay, click on the 3 dots. And just click on trash. All right, trash right here, and you will receive a notification that says this action will remove the task list, of course, the associated task and dependencies, and also you can recover it within 60 days. Okay, if you haven't recovered it within 60 days, it will be gone from the recycle bin, or it will just delete by itself. So just click on trash, and as you can see, I'm only left with 2 task lists right here. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.